Hello, my name is Jack Dawes, Director of Training at Tulsa Welding School, and today we're going to bring you a 4G 7018 all the way out in the with the backing strip on 3/8 plate. So it is a certification test. It's one of the tests that we do here at the school. If you don't know, we are an accrediting testing facility, and we can certify people here at the school. And this is one of the tests a lot of people come and take here. So I want to show it on YouTube. So we've got everything set up. I've got our backing strip on. I've got about a 1/4 inch gap. We've got everything set up in the overhead position. So we're going to go ahead and start with a 7018 and run that first pass down the middle. And you may have to do a little oscillation in there just to make sure it's tying into all three sides. And then we'll go in and we'll start dropping stringer beads one after another. So let's make this weld. You ready? Everybody good?
Yeah, yes.
All right, here we go. Watch your eyeballs. Started actually getting a cramp there in my side. All right, here we go. Okay, so we just got our root pass in. It's all looking good. Everything's tied in real nice. And so now we're going to go ahead and finish this on out. I got probably about 12, 15 beads to run in here so we can get this filled out flush and put a cap on. So join along as we finish out the rest of this weld. Okay, so we just finished our Overhead our 4G 7018 with a backing strip. And so now we're going to go over and cut it out. So what we'll do is we'll actually go back in and we'll either air arc our tabs off or grind our tabs off. And then we're going to cut some strips out of it. And you already know, well, I'm going to pass. And so that's what we do. And so what do you do? Why do you use this? Basically, you know, we are a accrediting testing facility. And like I say, if you want to be certified in the structural welding, it's with 7018. This is one of the tests you'll have to take. You have to take it in the 3G and 4G positions, so the vertical and overhead position to be certified in all structural positions. So if you are interested, you want to get certified, please come down and see us at Tulsa Welding School. We'll be glad to help you out. Thank you and thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something today. And if you want to stay up to date and get tips and tricks to become a better welder, then subscribe to our channel. And if you would like to learn even more right now, click on our video. Thank you and we'll see you next time.